Replacing the battery of your watch yourself at home is not something very complicated. Only, I recommend you that you make a small investment before you get started if you want to avoid damaging your watch that you may have paid a lot of money. I use this kit that sells for just under $20 on Amazon, and you should use something like that. You'll be able to take your watch installed to make sure it doesn't move and have a good hand on it. And it also comes with that tool that will allow you to grip on 3 contact points on your watch to open it. The famous contact point on this watch are just right there. So just put the tool on the watch, adjust it, apply pressure, and unscrew. Yup, most of the watch back cover are generally screwed to the case. Now that we reach the inside, we can already see the battery, but we will first have to remove the white bracket so we can access it. So just take a pair of pliers and take it out. But still, be delicate. Everything is so small and fragile inside. You can now remove the battery, check the model number, and replace it with the same model if possible. Know, however, that, I don't know why, but in the field of small watch batteries, it's looked like they spend their time to change the battery model numbers, so just do a little Google search and you will find all the model number compatible with the one you take out. In the kit I ordered, I had batteries for all kinds of watches. Finally, install the new battery on the same side as the one you removed. Generally, the positive side goes in front of you. Now reinstall the bracket and set the interior button front to front with the exterior ones. Otherwise, they will not work once closed. Finally, screw the cover back in place. Generally, one of the contact points should be next to the crown. Finally, if it's not already done, press on the crown to restart the watch. And we are done. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I may simply answer you or even maybe make a video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and what you do see back there is from my main channel, so please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!